called the Vitamix, and it's pretty expensive. For the price, you can get this iPad and this Galaxy Tab A.
So let's get right into the unboxing. So let's move this box and let's go ahead and look at the parts.
So we have the big motors here, and we have the main container, and we also have the tamper.
And we have the personal cup adapter here, and we also have the 2 personal travel cups. So now we removed all the covers, and this is how it looks like. Looks pretty good. So this blender comes with a really powerful motor
With 2.2 horsepower.
It also comes with a really big container.
64 ounces.
You can make any smoothie you can think of.
Or frozen desserts.
Or pizza dough.
Or even idli dosa batter.
How about we try making mango kulfi?
Blend together 1.5 cups of whole milk, 3/4 cups condensed milk, and a cup of mango.
Blend until smooth.
Then add ½ teaspoon cardamom powder, a pinch of saffron, and ½ cup heavy cream.
Blend again till cream is mixed well.
Pour kulfi mixture into kulfi molds or small cups.
Cover with lids or aluminum foil.
Make a slit and insert wooden ice cream sticks.
Freeze for 6 to 7 hours till kulfi is set.
To remove kulfi, place kulfi molds under running water for a few seconds or rub them between your palms.
Thanks for watching, friends. Happy cooking!